Hey guys, it is Wednesday, July 4th, and as you know, it is a holiday, so I am not at work today. I initially planned on staying at home and just binge watching Narcos on Netflix like I'm watching right now, but my mom just called and she decided that she's going to cook out. So I'll probably just go over there to visit, but this is really going to be hard for me because I gave up eating meat, and people who know me know that's really hard because I absolutely love chicken wings. But you know, I am ready for this new lifestyle change. I want to try something different, and what brought this on is when I went to visit my grandfather. We actually went to a chicken coop, a chicken house, and I actually saw firsthand with my eyes how they are raising these chickens and what they're giving them to make them larger in such a short amount of time. And I just was like, you know, wow, this is crazy. A lot of people don't know this, but in my earlier 20s I did have cancer, and I do believe cancer, I wouldn't say mine per se, but you know, some cancer might be brought on by the things that we eat and the chemicals that they put in our food. And just to see that firsthand just really brought it all home to me. So I am going to try out this lifestyle and see if I can do it. I know I can. I think it's going to be very, very hard in the beginning because it has been only most of it because it's really hard finding recipes, and when you eat the same thing over and over and over again, you just crave things that you have previously loved for so many years, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna stop rambling on. I'm gonna take my dogs over to my mom's house. Oh, yesterday I bought these dyes for my hair, and I was gonna do them today as well while I was binge watching Netflix, but I might just wait. Maybe I'll do them when I come home, and I'm not sure. Or I might just wait till this weekend. But I got this L'Oreal Technique. This is High Color Reds for dark hair only in shade H12. It's a deep Auburn red. And I got the L'Oreal Developer in 30 as well because, you know, 40 is really strong and I don't want to fry my hair. Especially because I just dyed my hair a couple weeks ago. And then last week I just did my roots over. And I didn't like how my roots came out. They came out really light in contrast to my hair. So a lot of people say it was okay looking, but I'm really self-conscious about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with this red color, the Auburn color. But we'll see how today goes, and you know, I might do it later. So me and my mom live in the same neighborhood. We live about 4 minutes away from each other, which can be a good thing and it can be a bad thing because when I first moved out here, she was at my house all the time. She would get off work and then stop by my house just unannounced, you know what I mean? But the good thing about it is if I need her, she's right around the corner. I walk into my mom's house and there is an extra guest that I have not met yet. Let me show you her. The little chihuahua right there. So of course Chance and Duke are just amazed, and just as you can see, she is so adorable, you guys. I want to take them outside, but I'm not sure how she acts outside. Does that make sense? And I don't want to be responsible for like losing her, because of course I get over here and my mom hasn't even gone to the grocery store yet. So now I'm stuck here babysitting baby Oshi over here. Oshi actually is her friend's dog. She just got her from the SPCA. I actually got Chance from the SPCA as well. He came over from the hurricane relief in Puerto Rico a couple months ago. I got him in October. Duke, the Cocker Spaniel, he is Matthew's dog. He's gonna be staying with me. He's basically my dog now. My mom's backyard is so huge. The dogs love coming out here. They actually do a V-line to the back door as soon as they get over here because they just love to roam in her backyard. And of course they go over to this side gate over here because the next door neighbors have dogs. DJ's over here cooking breakfast.
They told me I could cook this now, so I'm not stealing.
Wow, really? Really? But look what he's making. Eggs and bacon.
You ain't gonna eat meat today?
No.
And fried fish too.
I don't like fried fish. I don't like fried fish.
That's like one of my favorite foods. Fried fish, steak, hot wings.
Look at DJ with his farmer's hand.
Cheese steak. Yeah, I know from Weldon, man. Jesus, look how light I am right here and like I'm orange right here. That's a problem.
You gotta fix that.
I don't know.
Girls don't want to see a farmer. Well, maybe they might.
I mean,
is that true? Do girls like farmer's stands?
I mean, I don't know if it suggests that you're outside working, maybe.
So I think they're about to finally start cooking. I'm so hungry. My mom called me and told me to come over around 11, 12 o'clock. It is now 4:30, okay? I am hungry. Everybody's gonna be cooking except for me. Ma, you the master chef?
Am I the master chef? No, I gotta give to Mr. Well, he's the grill chef.
No, she is not the master chef. I'm the master chef.
Wait a minute. So the grill master. Wait a minute.
No, no master.
Here you go, Danny.
No, the grill master must be just the master. He's the grill master.
She gonna be tired, yeah.
That's right.
She got that 50 lots.
But see, the most important thing about cooking is make sure you clean about it, like wash your hands because you are feeding the masses. Kim Williams actually opened these cans of bush beans, but bush beans would not be my favorite bean. It would be Van Camp, the original. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put some. I chop my onions up. We're not gonna measure. We're just gonna put them in there to eyeball.
We'll put them in here. Outside.
So I put that whole onion in there because you want some flavor. Everybody gonna keep it out. And so we're gonna use regular white sugar to sweeten it up, even though Danny Reed say they sugar beans.
Look at all that sugar though.
Ain't that nothing? Alright, and then I have to wait for my, he called them dessert beans. I don't care what you call them, just come on and get some. Look, that's what we doing around here. And so we're just gonna do this, so I gotta wait for the brown sugar, because you know, we sent a man to go get that, so that could be at the end of the cookout. I'm not really sure when we're gonna get that. And then the mustard, yeah, put a little dibby dab of mustard. I like to put my initials, which is LH, and that's how much mustard I do.
P1, which up for Ash is for Ashley.
And all we really waiting for now is some brown sugar, and when you put that brown sugar in there, it's gonna turn this bean juice really dark. And that's the magic of the situation. Most people make shortcuts, and when they use syrup and all that stuff. I'm gonna make my own syrup. So that's all we gotta do right now. Come back to me when I get my brown sugar, and we're gonna see the color turn, okay?
So, Mom, you put vinegar in here?
Vinegar.
So what is that?
A roasted garlic herb season.
You're gonna put that in?
I'm gonna put that in the chicken. Alright.
All that, huh?
Yeah, because it was a lot. And then I'm gonna put pepper in it with a little salt. I don't like using a whole lot of salt in it.
Well, you season salt.
So you finally got the brown sugar. Okay,
this is light brown sugar. I normally go with the dark brown sugar, but you know how yellow folks are. The one that's holding it. Yeah, this is her. All right, so we're not gonna get that brownness that we're gonna be looking for, but I guess it'll still be the same as far as sweetness, right, ladies?
Well, brown sugar is tart tasting. Well,
we're gonna find out if this makes a difference because I've never used this one before. And as you can see, I'm not measuring anything. We're gonna throw it in there. We're gonna get all nice and sugar.
Quite a bit in there.
They call them dessert. Call it what you want to call it. And you want to make sure you stir it up really good. And then we're going to put them in the oven. So what do we have here? We have white sugar. We have light brown sugar. Dark brown. And mustard. And some onions. And there you go.
So this is everything that's going on the grill that Danny has to make. So in the midst of making the beans or taking the beans out of the oven, my mom over here burned herself. This craziness.
I should use the near strong
Craziness. How was it?
banging.
Got some beans. My vegan skewer. Not bad. What are you making?
Nothing like a little drink and Captain Morgan and Coke.
Captain Morgan Coke. I'm trying to get turned up.
Drinking light early. I'll drink it later.
Alright guys, so we've cooked, we've eaten, we spent time with our family. As you can see, my brother and stepdad is in the background playing cornhole. I'm not quite sure who's winning, but me and DJ are gonna go back to the house and do our Fitness Friday videos for the upcoming Friday, because I know that we missed it last Friday and I apologize about that. I'm not sure if I want to dye my hair tonight. I'll probably wait till the weekend, but who knows, I might just stay up tonight, who knows. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, help me gain more people to my tribe, my family, and I'll see you guys next time.